Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your stocks and bonds with Charles Schwab, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your stocks and bonds with Charles Schwab, begin by visiting the Schwab website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set up your security questions. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your assets, including stocks and bonds. To enhance security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a verification code sent to your mobile device. In the Settings menu, select Security Preferences. From there, find the option for two-factor authentication and follow the instructions to activate it. Next, review your account permissions. Ensure that only trusted devices are authorized to access your account. If you often use a public network, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to secure your internet connection. For additional safety, review your recent transactions. Look for any unauthorized activity and report it immediately if you find any. Regularly update your password to maintain account security. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. You should also change your security questions periodically. This can help prevent unauthorized access to your account. Consider setting up account alerts for transactions or changes made to your portfolio. Navigate to the Alerts section under Account Settings. Customize your alerts to ensure timely updates about your investments. For further protection, monitor your credit report regularly. This can help you catch any suspicious activity related to your identity. Finally, stay informed about market trends and Schwab's security news. This knowledge can enhance your ability to protect your investments effectively. By following these steps, you can secure your stocks and bonds with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.